Hey guys, this is Stars of Knowledge London channel. So students, if you are planning to book your exam in the month of October 2021, that is your IELTS examination, or you have already booked your exam for the October month, then this video is definitely for you guys. In this video, we're going to talk about the pen paper based IELTS exam in October month, computer based IELTS exam, and there is another good news also related to IVA examinations, and also in summarize that which exam will be easier when you should book your exam. So let's start our today's video. So guys, we have actually 4 IELTS academic pen paper based exams. So as you can see on the screen, I have checked for the Jalandhar location, that is in Punjab, for the October month. Right now you can only see the 23rd October and 30th October, but there are actually exam on 9th as well, on 16th as well, on 23rd and 30th. So you have 4 IELTS academic pen paper based exams in the month of October, and on the right hand side it's a computer delivered exam that is every single day, but except 2 days, that is 2nd of October, it's a national holiday, and also 15th of October there is no computer delivered exam. 2nd is due to Gandhi Jayanti and 15th due to Dussehra. So for the pen paper based IELTS academic exam, you have 4 dates in the month of October, and for the computer delivered it's all 31 days except 2 days, 2nd and the 15th of October. Now let's talk about the journal training IELTS exam for the month of October, that is pen and paper based IELTS journal training exam. So you have 2 dates in the month of October, that is 23rd and 30th of October, both on Saturdays. So you have only 2 journal training exams. The location I have checked is Amritsar for that. And for the computer delivered journal training exam, you have all the 31 days in October month except the 2 days, that is 2nd of October and 15th of October. So if you want to do a pen paper exam, you have 2 dates, 23rd and 30th, and if you want to do a computer delivered exam, then you have total 29 days in the month of October. Guys, the difference is that some people prefer computer delivered exams because the results are very soon as compared to the pen and paper exams for the IELTS. So next we're gonna talk about the exam for IELTS for UKVI academic exam. So there is only one date for the IELTS for UKVI academic exam, and that is pen and paper delivered exam. The location I have chosen is Chandigarh. The date is 23rd of October, which is already full. So if you want to give your UKVI academic exam, guys, for the October month you have not booked, then sorry, you can't book. You have to choose the other month, which is November month, and on November it's on 11th of November. So you can book for the 11th of November, because for the October month the 23rd October date is already full. So you can't book it for the 23rd October in Chandigarh location for the IELTS for UKVI academic. But if you are planning to book your IELTS for UKVI journal training pen and paper based exam, then guys, that date is available. So there is only one date for IELTS for UKVI pen paper based available in October month, that is only 23rd October. But if you want to book for academic, then it's already full. But for the journal training, IELTS for UKVI journal training, then the 23rd October is still available if you are planning to book your exam in the month of October. So further, let's talk about the life skill exam. Well guys, there are 2 types of life skill exams, life skill A1 and life skill B1. In the month of October, I have checked it for the Chandigarh location. There are 2 dates available. So if you're planning to book, you can book for either 14th of October or 28th of October for the life skills. It's for both A1 and B1, both have 2 dates available, 14th and 28th October, and both are on Thursdays. The location I have checked it is Chandigarh, let me tell you again, but if you are in New Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, then yes, you can check those locations as well. Just go to the idpielsindia.com and just check that which dates are available in which cities, and you can book your IELTS examination. And it's not only for the life skills, for everything, all the other exams, academic, journal training, computer based, paper based, UKVI. So yeah, like I told before, that life skills is of two types, A1 and B1. So you can see right now in October month, the 14th and 28th for the life skill B1 is also available in Chandigarh location. Even there is in September, it's on 30th of September, that is also available in Chandigarh. So if you are ready and you just want to give your exam in September month, you can still do that. It's only 19th of September today, so you can also give it for the 30th September. That slot is also available. But for the October, there is two dates, 14th and 28th of October. And now this slide is the good news for the people who belong to Ahmedabad, Chennai, Gurugram, Kochi, Mumbai, New Delhi. The good news is that, guys, the UKVI exams, either it's academic or journal training, now you can do them on CD. So they are giving you this new opportunity. It started, that is computer delivered IELTS exams, UKVI academic or GT. Before it was only a pen paper based exams for UKVI IELTS, but now you have computer delivered as well, but locations are only limited. That is only Ahmedabad, Chennai, Gurugram, Kochi, Mumbai and New Delhi. So you only have 6 cities, but it's a good thing that computer delivered exam is started in these 6 cities. Soon it will be expanded. So now let's talk about what type of exam you can expect in the month of October. So first exam in October for the IELTS will be on 9th October 2021. It's a Saturday on this day, and you only have an IELTS academic exam on this day, and that exam is expected to be an easy exam. So first exam in October month could be easy for the IELTS academic. Moving on to the second exam in the month of October. So IELTS second exam in October is on 16th of October 2021. I also want to tell you that there is also another date flashing, that is 14th of October 2021, which is Thursday. Yeah, so it's 2 days prior to this exam, that is 14th October 2021. It is said to be that there is a date available on 14th October, that is Thursday, and only IELTS academic exam on that day. But I was unable to find that on the IDP official website, so that's why I have not mentioned that in my list. So according to that official website, the first exam is on 9th and the second is on 16th October 2021. But if any of you guys have booked on 14th October 2021 on Thursday, then please leave a comment below, let me know. Thank you. So our second exam is on Saturday. It's again and only IELTS academic exam, and it could be more easy, but yes, easy to moderate, as nowadays we are expecting a little moderate reading. Further, if we talk about the third IELTS exam in the month of October, that is on 23rd October 2021. It's a Saturday on this day, and this date we have both IELTS academic and IELTS journal training exam. Guys, in this exam we can expect our listening to be easy, but our reading to be moderate. So this exam could be a mixture of easy and a moderate for both IELTS academic and a journal training. Lastly, the last IELTS exam, that is the fourth exam in the October month, will be on 30th October 2021. It's a Saturday on this day again, and on this date we have both IELTS academic and a journal training exam. On this day, we can expect our listening to be easy to moderate and our reading to be moderate. So this exam will be more of a moderate and a tricky side. So this is the fourth exam in the October month, the last and the fourth exam. Further guys, IELTS for UKVI in October, IDP only. Again, it's no point to mention that, as we all know that British Council is end. So it's a pen paper based exam on 23rd October. That is a Saturday for UKVI academic and a journal training, and it's for the Chandigarh location. So guys, if you want to do your exam for the UKVI academic on 23rd October, if right now you cannot book it because the slot is full. But if you want to give your UKVI journal training pen and paper based exam, then yes, you can book that, as the 23rd October for GT is available, and it's for the pen and paper based examination for Chandigarh location. Yes, the computer delivered is also started for, but it's not yet started in the Chandigarh location. It's in the other 6 cities, as I mentioned earlier in the start of this video. And lastly, IELTS for the life skills exam, that is A1 and life skills B1 for the October month, IDP only. I have checked it for the Chandigarh location. There are 2 dates available, 14th of October and 28th of October. So guys, both are available. So if you are planning to book your exams for the A1 type or for the B1 type, for both of them dates are available. You can go on the official website and book your exam, that is on 14th October and 28th of October. Both exams are on Saturdays and both are available. So guys, this is the complete video which gives you the examination dates in the month of October for the IELTS examination. Either it's pen paper based or it's a computer delivered exam, either it's an academic or it's a journal training exam. If you're planning to book your exam for UKVI, either it's academic or journal training, a good news regarding the computer delivered exam starting for UKVI and a life skill exams A1 and B1 both types. So this is the complete video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please click on the like button. The detailed prediction of each and every IELTS examination for the month of October, those videos will be published on the channel very soon. So please click on the bell icon so that you do get a notification when I publish those videos. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel Stars of Knowledge. Thank you so much. Best of luck. Take care and bye-bye.